How to be comfortable on camera. Here are 4 tips to help you be a natural. 1. Practice by filming yourself for nothing. You can start with your phone and then move on to the camera. After a while, you see that you get used to it, and in no time, your real personality will start to show through. 2. Script your videos, or at least bullet point the main lines of what you are going to say. Going off topic is the main reason why you can be really uncomfortable in front of the camera. I mean, think about it. When you are confused and you don't know what you're saying, when you are so lost in your train of thoughts, it's normal for you to feel uncomfortable and awkward. 3. Film your videos with the people you feel the most comfortable and authentic with. Have them present in the room, whether it's behind or in front of the camera, or at least imagine that you're talking to them. And the last one, choose a topic you really care about. It's easier to be genuine and naturally have the words flowing out of your mouth when you feel passionate about the subject. So make sure that at least for your first couple of videos, you really care about what you're talking about. These were 4 tips on how to get comfortable on camera. Comment down below if you struggle with anything else in terms of content creation, starting a YouTube channel, everything on your mind. Please comment down below and I will make a video about it. Don't forget to like the video if it really helped you, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, it is @OCÉANE the YouTuber. I'll see you on the next video.